Today we're out at my brother's house to fix up his downspout. They've just done this huge house addition and all of their gutters got put down into one downspout that floods their driveway every time it rains. I'm gonna leave this running for a little bit and I'm gonna go to the bottom end and I'm gonna dig out a swell and put some rocks in the base. They don't want it to just like trickle down through the grass. They want it to sort of meander to the side so that they can sort of do some irrigation work. So I'm gonna do a little hole where the water's coming out below the driveway. Okay, so I've gotten to experiment a little bit with some water flow here. I don't want the hillside to erode continually with the rainfall, so I have an old piece of scrap liner I'm going to lay down into the hillside and then set rock on top of that. But to get that hidden, I need to dig the hillside out a little more. I have my grate at the bottom a little deeper and level now so that it'll collect more water and be a little more out of the way. So we're going to dig out the hillside, lay this liner down, and stack some rocks up. It doesn't have to be fully waterproof. If the liner leaks, that's fine. It's just rainfall, but I'm trying to keep the hillside from eroding super fast. Alright, so I think I've got a pretty good layout of the larger rocks, and then I started filling in holes with the medium-sized rocks off the hillside. And then I shoveled some dirt and packed some dirt in and spread it all out, and now I'm running the garden hose on it to just sort of flush out any excess spots so I can pinpoint some areas. It was flowing off this right side of the pond liner, and I was able to pick it up and stuff some rocks into there and keep it more on the liner. Now I've got a bag of little river pebbles, and I'm going to just sprinkle that over the whole thing. Alright, well that does it. So those rocks might shift a little over time. I might have to come back in with another bag of that river rock and sprinkle it up there to cover some more of that liner because it's a pretty steep incline. Those larger rocks should be set there for a long time, and I think it'll look really pretty when we actually get some rainfall. This hillside will grow back over it and they can plant around it and whatnot. Thanks for watching.